Hello, we are Team FounderOS. We built something we personally needed, a way for founders to never lose the reason behind their decisions. We built FounderOS because in startups, decisions are made every day, but the reasons behind them rarely survive over time. In most startups, things move fast. You decide something today, and a few weeks or months later, no one really remembers why it was done. That's where confusion starts, and that's also where teams begin repeating the same mistakes without realizing it. So we built FounderOS. Instead of writing documents or trying to organize everything manually, you just talk naturally, and it quietly turns those conversations into something your team can actually use later. For example, a real decision gets recorded like this. A team says they are not targeting enterprise customers yet because onboarding is not ready. Nothing is tagged, nothing is structured manually. It is simply understood as an important decision and stored automatically as company memory. Now imagine the same situation later. Someone asks again whether the team should target enterprise customers. Instead of starting from zero, FounderOS brings back the original reasoning behind that decision, so the team doesn't end up debating the same thing again. And it doesn't stop there. Sometimes, when a new idea is very similar to something that already failed or was rejected before, it immediately brings that context back. It reminds the team what happened last time, so they don't repeat expensive mistakes unknowingly. Over time, all of this builds a clear view of the company's thinking. You can see decisions, what mattered most, and how the direction of the startup has changed over time, all in one place. Behind the scenes, Qwen Cloud powers this system. It helps understand decisions, connect related context, and retrieve the right information when it is needed. So the system is not just storing text, but actually understanding meaning. FounderOS is not a chatbot. It is a memory layer for startups, built to preserve decisions, retain context, and help founders learn from the past instead of repeating it. Thank you.